Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Now for today's video, I will show you how to embed code in Canva. So what you're going to do is just simply click the share button at the top right corner. And then from there, you will be able to see the see all option. Click on that. Now you will see the embed option. You just have to click that and click the embed. Now this will create your document a embed HTML code, and then you just have to copy that. Now Canva also have the smart embed link, and then you can choose between the two. And then that's it, guys. That's how you can basically do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.